we're gonna be doing the big old kit. So what you need is paintbrushes, paint, and papers, and glue and tape. So first you're gonna take your notebook, open it to a clean page. I'm gonna try putting on music. My phone's from you there. Who doesn't love it? Oh, freak. Everything needs every freaking service. I'm like not at home, but I am. Oh, freak, you need a water bottle too. Hold on. Catch my breath. Let me get these water bottles. Okay, I got the water bottle. Okay, let's use a wet brush. Okay. Grab your white. Put the lid somewhere that it won't fall right there. And draw the body. You're gonna like the body of the elephant. You're gonna be drawing the elephant. So like, okay, so this is the white. No, actually, we don't have to draw an elephant. We can draw like a cat. Then I draw the dog, the cat, or whatever. You can draw whatever. Whatever you're good at. Like my friend or my dad's. And then girl that like piece on this one that she's on motorbike. Oh, what?
Back there with you.
Nobody. This is what I have. And this is what I have so far. Like draw a square. Yeah. It didn't come out here because one, two. Then also our cat or dog, we need a tail. My mom's coming. My mom's coming. You know, to clean off her brush and all. Hold on. Let me catch my bird. I have some gum, oh my goodness. I think we don't have. You have to. Yeah. Color eye. Please. Color peanut. Look at that. I don't want it to fall. So I'm just lightly coloring. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do is take the white for a little bit and draw a unicorn. Draw like a cross shape of that she has on her head. It could be matchable or doesn't matter. So this is up to you. Or whoever you're making it, you can ask them all the questions. Say that I'm doing something project and I'm using something. And the tail could be blue. Tail could be blue. She's rude. I see them right here, like bruh, they're like over there, like boys, they're over there. Think about checking different places. New colored unicorns. Purple, so unicorn head. It's like a cone kind of. A darker. The body could be yellow. Dang, that's a lot of paint. Dang. Okay, that's a lot of paint that I had on. That's a lot of paint. Oh, so guys, it's been like 10 minutes since I did this video. But I'm almost done too. So, yeah. So, yeah. Well. Okay, so guys, this is the final thing. I'm gonna leave everything else right. She looks so pretty, right? Please subscribe to my Snapchat, my brother's. So this is my brother's and my Snapchat. Tell you. So please subscribe. Pull the bottom. Yeah, let me tell you. Where is it? I write it down on the notebook. So I'm gonna show the string because it's white. Just show you. I'm gonna write it right there on the top, or right there. You can see. So what should I write? So capital J. Let me just tell you guys. Capital J O-S-E-P-H, capital A, lowercase f, L-O-R-E-S 02. Joseph A, that's what the capital A stands for. Armando Flores 02. So, yeah. I'm gonna figure out how to do cringy musically because they put it on the screen. So bye. Make sure you follow Snapchat, the one with Facebook. I really don't know the same thing I see. No, Joseph Flores. That's it. That's it. So yeah. So bye guys. I love you.